Throughout the world, multinational behemoth Amazon has created distribution centers or fulfillment centers that centralize Amazon's network of sorting, delivery, and logistics. These futuristic warehouses are part of a massive warehouse network that is currently geared towards furthering the automation of jobs, with many in its labor force actually being swarms of robots that work alongside humans. In today's video, we're taking a look inside Amazon's highly automated robotic warehouse. Before we jump into it, don't forget to hit that like button, share, subscribe, and notification bell for future tech videos. This is TechBinge. Amazon is undoubtedly the biggest retailer on the planet, able to provide products ordered at a record-breaking pace. Its two-day delivery service, Amazon Prime, has well more than 100 million subscribers worldwide. It sells and delivers just about anything you want that can be found on the internet. And as Amazon's footprint as a physical retailer increased throughout the years, its need for storage and sorting space has seemingly increased as well. It has solidified its market share and provides almost all consumer needs of the general public, which it distributes through its numerous network facilities or fulfillment centers around the world. It has its own delivery system, from cargo ships to semi-trucks to up to 20,000 delivery vans around the US. These products, brought in from manufacturers, end up at Amazon's fulfillment center, which holds most of the inventory that processes orders from around the world. These fulfillment centers are made up of state-of-the-art technology that receive, sort, and send out ordered items. It employs more than 1 million employees around the world, with up to 2,500 full employees stationed inside a warehouse that, aside from human laborers, also have up to 200,000 robots operating within these warehouses. Amazon refers to its robots as drives and uses them in its delivery and fulfillment centers around the US. These robots provide the need efficiency through the harmonious efforts of humans and machines working together, thus allowing Amazon to pass along a lower cost to its customers. Amazon first became interested in warehouse robots in 2012 when it purchased a company based in Massachusetts named Kiva Systems, a company that manufactures mobile robotic fulfillment systems. Amazon acquired Kiva Systems for $775 million and renamed it Amazon Robotics. This robotic department used to provide automated storage and retrieval systems for several other companies, such as The Gap, Walgreens, Staples, Office Depot, Saks Fifth Avenue, and a few others, until their contracts ran out, and Amazon chose not to renew these partnerships to focus these robotic systems throughout Amazon's fast-growing operations. These drives now serve an important role in Amazon's daily operations, as they also refitted their approach once the drives came in their fold. Traditionally, goods are moved around a distribution center using a conveyor system or by human-operated machines, such as forklifts. Amazon's approach remolds that by sorting items on portable storage units. Stationed human pickers pick item inventory and place them on storage pods. Once the pods are full of items, the robots move them across a large caged area. When an order is entered into Amazon's database, the software locates the closest automated bot to the item and tells the bot to retrieve it. Computerized barcode stickers on the floor provide navigation for these mobile drives, as each drive unit has a sensor that also prevents it from colliding with other bots or other humans. When the drive unit reaches the storage unit where the item is placed, it slides underneath the pod and lifts it off the ground. It then carries the pod to a specified human operator to pick the items for identification and eventual packing for immediate delivery. These robotic drives are basically two different robotic models, with the smaller drive being approximately 2 feet by 2.5 feet at 18 inches high, capable of lifting 1,000 pounds. The larger model can carry loads as heavy as 3,000 pounds. Both have a distinctive and easy-to-notice orange color. After a task is made, these bots immediately go to the docking station for 5 minutes every hour to be charged. These robots also have a certain machine learning capability, able to distinguish items which have a high demand, allowing them to lounge at the point of pickup longer, anticipating the same item's order, which in effect makes it more efficient rather than repeating the process all over again. Monitoring all the progress of these robots still requires some level of supervision though, since a fully automated warehouse run by artificial intelligence may still be some years in the future. Even for Amazon, a designated human robotics responder, who is part of the Amnesty team, is responsible for the drives in operation for the day and monitors the swarm's activities to make sure they are always on the job and following the proper path. Each time a robotic responder in charge needs to enter the storage area or the cage where the items are sorted and the drives operate, the responder turns on a device within his uniform that emails a radio pulse, which informs the bots to avoid the human inside their space. The system provides plenty of efficiency and accuracy compared to the traditional method of having human workers traveling around the warehouse, locating and picking items. Aside from robots that serve to raise the overall warehouse output, there's plenty of innovation technology that Amazon has incorporated into its systems to better serve its customers and maintain the level of efficiency and speed that it prides on. Amazon utilizes deep learning AI incorporated into its system, which creates an algorithm to determine the possible items you might wish to purchase based on your age, location, socioeconomic background, basically your internet footprint, and possible preferences. These assumptions are made into an algorithm that Amazon sets up for each user, allowing it to determine the item you might want to buy, and stocks up the nearest warehouse to your location with these items, even if you don't actually end up buying them. This system allows Amazon to be even faster in its service, to the benefit of each customer. A certain AI also provides assistance to picker employees inside the warehouse, since pickers used to walk an average of 12 miles per shift in search of specific items. Algorithms now provide them with the optimal route by navigating these pickers to the item's exact location with more productive precision and much less steps. The symphony between the robots and the pickers working together with the algorithm system have increased productivity from 100 items per hour to up to 400 items per hour. This also helps during high-stress situations, such as the holidays, allowing Amazon to maintain productivity and efficiency despite a 20% reduction of seasonal workers. As Amazon continues to grow, its sight towards a fully automated warehouse continues. In 2019, Amazon bought another warehouse robotics startup, Colorado-based Canvas Technology, which builds wheeled robots guided by computer vision. These would be more fully autonomous than the current drives, which still needs those barcodes and mapped routes within warehouse. There's also newer models from the original Kiva model lines, which include one they call Pegasus, a square vehicle with a conveyor belt on top that carries packaged items across the floor and drops them into chutes based on the zip code of their final destination. Amazon and Amazon Robotics intend to transform its warehouse in a way that can extend human capability by shifting people to more substantial tasks, such as problem solving, common sense, and troubleshooting on their feet, while allotting the repetitive job to its developed and developing robotics fleet. This clearly highlights the vision of the company and provides a glimpse of a future that isn't so far away. So what do you guys think of Amazon's highly automated robotic warehouse? We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And if you're new to the channel, thumbs up, share, subscribe, and notification bell for future tech videos. Until next time.